Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, tire balancers, and tire mounting machines. Hello, now I am going to show you how to set up a F-00 wheel balancer from TWIN BUSCH. The wheel balancer is delivered in one package. Open the package with a sharp knife. And remove the wooden panels with a hammer. Disconnect the machine from the pallet. Now you can remove the machine from the pallet. Open the box with the small parts. Before setting up the machine, please read the instruction manual carefully. We will start by installing the cone holder. Three of the cones can be put in their respective places. Now we will install the shaft. The shaft is connected using the delivered Allen key. Make sure the shaft is pulled tight. The other cone can now be placed on the shaft. Place the span head on the butterfly nut. The butterfly nut can now be placed on the shaft. Now install the guard. The guard is screwed into the left hole on the machine. The right hole is required if you use a motorcycle adapter. Place the plug on the end of the guard. Now the protection hood can be screwed together using 4 screws. Use the special tool delivered with the machine to tighten the bolts. Pay attention to the holes for the screws. The protection hood is simply placed on the guard and secured by the screws. Now you should anchor the machine to the floor so that the machine can function properly. With this, the setup of your wheel balancer is complete.